Unlock the full potential of your Sony A1 footage and transform it into breathtaking visuals with the power of Sony Vegas Pro. Welcome, filmmakers and content creators. Today, we're diving deep into the seamless workflow of editing your Sony A1 footage in Sony Vegas Pro. Whether you're capturing cinematic landscapes or high-octane action, this guide will ensure your post-production is as smooth as your shots are spectacular. First, let's get your incredible A1 footage into Vegas Pro. Navigate to File, then Import, and select Media. Browse to your A1 video files, select them, and click Open. Vegas Pro is renowned for its robust codec support, so your high bitrate footage will be handled with ease. You'll see your clips populate the project media window, ready for action. Now, let's build our story. Drag and drop your desired clips onto the timeline. Use the playback controls to scrub through your footage and find those perfect moments to make a cut. Position the playhead where you want to split the clip and press S on your keyboard. Or use the razor tool. You can then delete unwanted sections by selecting them and pressing the delete key. This is where your A1 footage truly shines. Color grading. With your clip selected, go to the Pan and Crop tool, and then the Color Corrector tab. Experiment with the hue, saturation, and color controls to bring out the vibrant colors your A1 captures. Adjust the brightness and contrast to get that cinematic pop, and use curves for more nuanced adjustments. Don't be afraid to play. Your A1 footage has incredible dynamic range to work with. Finally, let's get your masterpiece out into the world. Go to File, then Render as. For the best quality, we recommend using a high-quality template, such as Main Concept AVC with a bitrate suitable for your platform, like YouTube or Vimeo. Ensure your project settings match your footage resolution and frame rate for a seamless export. Click Render, and your professionally polished video will be ready to share.